Traders, just doing a little mid-morning update here. I caught a trade, a little 5-to-1. Check this out, right up in here. I saw the coil. Right, let's back up here. I was just following my impulse bars. Here, here. I wasn't sure. Um, I saw this here bounce into this kill zone, and then kind of break through all this stuff here, pushing up against it. So I figured it's on its way up. Had a little pullback and then recovery. So I was just watching this here, and step one, impulse, and then I kind of just drew this up right here. And the thing I noticed was this right here. Oop, wrong way. See this big bar right here? This big bar right here. It just was like a wash inside the swing, inside the coil. So all I did was say, okay, let's put some risk on it. Got down below this guy here. And got out. So what I had done is, as well, I drew this pressure cooker, and I figured it was probably going to pull into it, and then I just reset my risk, 5-to-1, and on a very simple trade, day after the election, market's going up. So it's always nice to catch them without having to deal with a couple losses and all that stuff. But yeah, simple little trade. So hope you caught it. If not, keep looking. Here's another impulse leg. Just keep following the impulse leg, following the steps. Here's your wash. This one didn't come down quite as low as the shelf, but same concept. All right, talk to you later. Get me out of here.